My Simply Gilded box for September. The journaling card. Here is the pin with the really fine glitter and a bow at the top. I like the gradient. Here are the half sheets of stickers, as well as the date dots, icons, and the seals. Here are more sheets of stickers, and I really do like the holographic, the way it looks, very, very pretty. Here is the B6 notebook, and here is what it looks like on the inside. It has a different layout. You can use it for weekly journaling. Here are the sticky notes. Here is the washi tape. Next up, we have this little string charm. Here is a washi stand. It has a really nice holographic look to it. At the top, it has a moon shape, and that is where the little charm would hang. Here is the mystery item. It's a pair of pin loops. Here is everything I received in my box. I will leave the link down below to her shop. She usually does have extras of items if you see anything you like, as well as a discount code. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.